Alright guys, today we're going to do something a little bit different. But today I've got both rods. One of them's rigged up with a Paternoster rig. And we're going to be using KFC as bait. So obviously not much left in there, I already ate it, but there's 2 nuggets there. I'm going to break them up and put them on the hooks and we'll see if we can catch a fish on KFC nugs. I'll let you know how it goes. Cheers. Oh, getting bites. There we go. There we go. What is it? It's something small. Oh no! Okay, it's still on. No, I think it came off. Oh, there it is. What is it? Oh, a little snapper. Oh, there you go. Chicken nuggets do catch fish. Little pinky. Alright, bud. I'll dehook you, you go home. You're almost there, come on. Come on. See ya. Yay! Nuggets do catch fish, let's go!